Dear students, so we are discussing about the locomotion and movement. In previous class, we can discuss about the muscular system, the muscles. Or what about the muscles? How many types of the muscles and what kind of the movement, and what about the skeletal muscle structure, and what about the sliding filament theory, how many types of the muscle fibers, that can will be discussed in our previous classes. Now today we can discuss about the one of the most important in our human body. Actually we have a proper structure and a proper shape, and a perfect structure is given, or perfect support is given by the skeletal system. So today is our chapter is the skeletal system. So the skeletal system, the study of bones is nothing but a osteology. The study of bones is nothing but a osteology. Or what about the bones and what about the skeletal system? What is the importance of the skeletal system? How many types of the skeletal system also will be we can discuss. So generally, first of all, the skeletal system, or what is the skeletal system means, it is just like a frame. For example, any living organism, what about the, for example, just like a frame, and at the same time, for example, a proper shape, and proper structure. A frame and shape and structure will be given to our body is nothing but a skeletal system. For example, without skeletal system, we can imagine just only the muscles will be present only. They are unable to, a perfect structure and perfect shape also will be noted there. Okay. So for example, any living organism, it will be having a network like structure, a proper frame. For example, a frame like, or a network like, or for example, a structure or shape, it will be given by the skeletal system. That can will be given by the skeletal system. So, or such as the skeletal system, it will be made by, generally, what about the, it will be also having the generally two types. One is the exoskeleton and the endoskeleton. The skeletal system, it can will be classified into normally two types. Exoskeleton, endoskeleton. But what is the exoskeleton? What is the endoskeleton? Very simple. The exo means here outside of the body cavity. The exoskeleton means nothing but it is the outside of the body cavity. It is normally we can say exoskeleton. Endoskeleton means inside the body. Inside the body cavity. But what about the, can you give any example for the exoskeleton? Yes, we can give some of the example for the exoskeleton. What about the exoskeleton? For example, in our human being, we have the hair and at the same time the nails. And for example, some of the mammals, they have the, for example, horns. Or for example, it can will be present in the mammals like cattle. And for example, the birds, they have the Rampotika. It is the beak. It is the birds. The hair and nails that can will be present in our human being. Exoskeleton. The exoskeleton means it is outside of the body cavity. For example, we are the mammals. How can you identify the mammals? By the body will be surrounded by or covered by the hair. So that's why we can identify it is the mammal. So the mammals, we have the generally what is the hair, and we have the generally nails will be present. So the male nails and hair, they are made by, they are consist one of the protein that is normally we can say keratin. Keratin, one of the protein will be present. Generally the hair and nails both also will be consist one of the protein. What is the protein? Generally it is the keratin. If the keratin, one of the protein will be not yet present, our hair color is the generally, what about the generally white. And due to the presence of the keratin only, for example, if the one of the person after death also, the hair growth and even the nails growth also will be present due to the presence of the keratin. Okay, such as the keratin, it will be present in the nails and also the hair. Okay. Then, for example, in the horns of the cattle, the cow, goat, sheep, buffalo, they also will be consist of the horns. That is also nothing but just like a exoskeleton. It is giving the, for example, the protection. The hair and nails also will be giving the protection. And even the, for example, the beak, it will be made by, the beak, it will be present in the birds that will be made by one of the hardest membrane that is called Rampotika. It is also one of the chitinous membrane. It is also will be made by the exoskeleton. It is also will be giving the protection and also collecting of their food material. So this is the generally exoskeleton. Then, but what about the endoskeleton? Means internal. The internal endoskeleton inside the body cavity, we have the generally endoskeleton will be present. Such as the endoskeleton also will be having, generally there also will be having the two types. One is the cartilage and one is the bony. Cartilage means nothing but generally we know the soft bone, and for example the bony. The endoskeleton also, it will be also having the generally, we have the two types. It will be made by some of the cartilaginous. The second one is the bony. Means cartilaginous means nothing but it is a soft skeleton or a soft bone. It is the generally it will be made by the bones. So can you give any example for the cartilages? Yes sir, we can give the some of the best examples for the cartilages. For example, in generally we have the some of the marine fishes. The marine fishes, they have the cartilaginous or soft skeleton will be present, and the bony fishes they are present in our aquatic and, for example, the freshwater fishes or eatable fishes. For example, Katla. Here, example, Scoliodon, shark. So this is the generally skeletal system. But what about the skeletal system? Generally, in our human being, we are consist the generally, actually not only human being, any living organisms also, a network-like structure, a frame-like structure, a perfect proper shape, it will be given by, that is nothing but a skeletal system. If the skeletal system, it can will be also having the two types. One is the generally endoskeleton and also exoskeleton. Exoskeleton and also endoskeleton will be there. Exoskeleton means it is the general outside of the body cavity. Endoskeleton means inside the body cavity. So outside of the body cavity, can you give an example? Means the hair, the nails and horns and rhampotheca like beak, such as the structures are belongs to exoskeleton. But the endoskeleton means inside the body cavity, means particularly they will be also will be giving a perfect structure or shape, such as the endoskeleton. Also again it will be classified into cartilaginous and also bony. In the cartilages, it will be made by the generally the soft skeleton or soft bones, and the endoskeleton, it can will be by the generally only the bones. For example, the bony fishes, they are present in the generally fresh water. The cartilage fishes, they can will be present in the marine water. Next, generally, what about the skeletal system in our human body? In generally, the skeletal system, it can will be the endoskeleton, it can will be made by the endoskeleton, the bony, it will be bony, it will be made by the bony, such as the endoskeleton, the bony skeleton, it will be divided into again two types. But what about the division of the skeletal system? Generally, in our adult human beings, the skeletal system, generally we are consist the 206 bones will be present. Actually, during the birth time, we have the generally 320 bones will be present. But whenever we are enter into the adult stage, what will happen? Number of bones, they can will be merge or the fusion. Number of bones will be merge or fusion, and finally at the age of the adult stage, we are consist the 206 bones are present. Such as the 206 bones also will be again, they can will be classified into two types. One is the axial skeleton, the second one is the appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton and also appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton, they are consist the 80 bones. Axial skeleton, they are consist 80 bones. 80 bones. The appendicular skeleton, they are consist the 126 bones will be present. So, but what is the axial skeleton, sir? In the axial skeleton, we have the here the head and vertebral column. Head also nothing but we can say the skull, vertebral column, and also the rib cage, and also the sternum, that can will be present in the axial skeleton. And the appendicular, in the appendicular system, we are consist of the generally what about the 126 bones will be present. The appendicular system, they are presently what about the specially we have the limbs. What about the specially the forelimbs, hind limbs, and also we have the generally pelvic girdle and also pectoral that can will be present. So that can will be we can discuss. Generally the division of skeletal system. The skeletal system in generally we can divide it into two types.